Welcome. In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 3, the 43mm edition, and I'm gonna show you how to download additional watch faces on this watch. Before we start, if you want to download additional watch faces on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the OHealth application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the OHealth application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the home page. Now tap on device icon right here to open the device page, and on it you should see your watch right here. It says the name of the watch, and also it says connected. And right now we can scroll down and tap on watch faces. It will open the watch face or watch faces page, and here we have different watch faces. As you can see, there's quite a lot of them. And basically you can find the watch face you fancy and then tap on it, and then you can tap on apply, and the watch face will download, install, and once it's done installing, it should be applied on your watch. Let me skip the tutorial on the watch and let's see. Let's wait until it's done installing. So it might take a few seconds, so let's wait. Okay, apparently it failed, which is weird. Let's try again. Okay, this took longer than expected, but as you can see, the watch face was applied. And it also should appear right here on the My Faces category. This is the list of watch faces basically already installed on your watch. And it will appear right here on this list in the front if it's applied. Okay, and basically that's how you install the watch faces or download additional watch faces on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.